This is how Claude can create fully functional UI elements inside of Unity. Okay, so what we need to do is go inside Claude, give it a prompt, some reference images, and point it to the asset pack we have downloaded. I downloaded and imported an asset pack from the Unity asset store, so we have elements, sprites, and everything we need to get started, and we don't have to worry about Claude trying to generate everything from scratch. You will need Claude Code and Unity MCP set up for this. If you need help with that, check out this video. What I did was I gave Claude a prompt, create UI for this Unity project, a main menu and some scene UI. Make it semi-functional, but don't worry about wiring everything up since there is no game mechanics yet. Use these reference images and use the GUI pack cartoon UI asset pack. I pointed it to exactly where the asset pack is located in Unity, and I gave it 3 reference images. Let's see what it comes up with. I found these 3 reference images on the internet. All you have to do is do a quick search, find some similar UI that you want to base it off of, and save those images. So here are the results. It may take some time depending on what you have in your project and what prompt you give Claude, but it's a fully functional main menu. And this was one attempt. This was the initial attempt. And it has functionality. If you notice, hover shows movement and juice. If you press play, it takes you into a game scene. You can interact with it. Actually functions like a real menu. It has a menu and settings. They are interactable. So for your game, you would just have to tell Claude to actually wire things up. Right now, there's no mechanics to this game, but everything is fully functional. That's how you can use Claude to create a UI system inside of Unity. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.